on the eLibrary, you can read thousands of subscribed ebooks and journals from some of the most renowned publishers from across the world. The platform also features more than 1 million plus open access e-resources, literary works, expert talks, and more. Let's see how you can browse them on the eLibrary. Once you are logged in, you can browse the entire eLibrary collection by subject or discipline. You can click on any of these disciplines to list e-resources related to that particular subject, like in this case, electrical engineering. Likewise, you have all these subjects covered in Thapar Institute. You can also browse content by publishers. Here you see the rich collection classified by publishers, and you will find some of the most renowned journal and ebook publishers like Elsevier, IEEE. You click on one of them and then click on any one of these publications. Just click on the read button. You'll be taken on the publisher platform. The platform features an inbuilt remote authentication, so you don't need to log in on any other publisher platform. The platform does all the work for you, and you will have full text access to any article or any ebook chapter you wish to read. So you can read it in HTML format, or you can download the PDF. Basically, the same experience that you get in campus is now available through the eLibrary to you from anywhere across the globe 24/7. Again, you can access content from any of these publishers via eLibrary. You can also browse content by document type or media type. So let's say I'm interested in video lectures. I click on the video lectures link, and let's say I want to see a lecture from NPTEL. You can just filter content using these smart filters available on the top and view these video lectures. Let's just look at the entire collection of the eLibrary by clicking on this all content button. You will see that the platform serves access to more than 640,000 e-resources. Many of them are subscribed by the library, and then we also feature quality open access resources from reputed repositories. There are theses from more than 1,000 universities, ebooks, open access videos, lectures, conference proceedings, basically anything that you might need for your learning or research needs. We have also built in topical collections featuring doctoral theses, master's theses of all the departments of the institutes. You can browse these theses by departments, click on any one of these departments to list the thesis from that department, and you can access the full text of these theses and dissertations. On the platform, you will also find a very engaging news headlines service, wherein the library team is uploading news clips almost on daily basis, and we also feature news headlines from more than 50 different online news portals. You can click on the bell icon of any of these news portals to subscribe to the news alerts, and the platform will start sending news headlines directly to your inbox on daily basis. There are expert talks from channels like TED, Big Think, and also literary works in Hindi, English, Urdu, Punjabi. There are more than 16,000 works here from some of the most popular authors that you can find and read from. Let's also have a quick look on the homepage of the eLibrary. You can keep a track of all your past readings on the homepage, so that you don't have to search for your favorite publications again and again. You can also mark your favorites, and we'll cover that in the next tutorials. The library team will also recommend a lot of new content that you shouldn't miss out on, and all the content that other students and staff members in the university are reading appears in the trending section. So that was a quick tutorial of all the e-collections that you can access on the eLibrary. In the next tutorial, we'll see how you can search for your favorite e-resources effectively on the platform.